I want to start today's video off and just say one thing. I don't condone street racing, but with that being said, I'm trying to see something. Alright, so I went out and did the same exact ride the other day. But when I was going over footage, I noticed something. I'm freakishly competitive, even with myself. So as I did this ride, you'll notice I did the same bike with the white gloves. I got the red gloves on today. So as I was looking at the footage, I noticed that I was chilling on this bike, but I was going flat out on the blue bike. The blue bike, I was trying to figure out if it was okay, if it was good, if it was stress tested and approved. So there's certain places where I was looking at the footage and I was like, damn, the white and red bike is way more powerful. It's way different than the blue bike. But because my aim was just to roll around and chill, I wasn't really pushing the white and red bike like I was pushing the white and blue bike. There's CHP right there. So my goal today is to ride the white and red bike like I rode the white and blue bike. Damn, got caught by cars. Shit. I'm in a headwind, so it's holding me back like crazy. Nope, 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 don't. And we back. It was just for me to see how much quicker it is. Again, that feels glorious. We got some temp in the tire. We did lean her over a little bit more. 300s are amazing for exactly what you just saw. So that's cool. So we'll check the footage. We're gonna put it all together, side by side it. We'll see how this bike fares with this bike, how much faster this bike is than this bike. Again, I noticed that I was letting off throttle, kind of cruising and chilling the other day when I had the white gloves on riding this. Then when I went out on this, I was bombing, going flat out. Believe it or not, did have some cars to go around, but I was pretty much going flat out on this thing. And I just want to see like what the differences were. Obviously, it's not going to be the whole clip because you see I ran into cars and certain things like that. But for the portions that I was able to go flat out, wide open, we're going to see what this bike was doing in comparison to this and vice versa. I'm going to put this shit together. That's going to be into the clip. You got another vlog on accident. I'm going to give you 2. And we out.